Here's how you can swipe or scroll faster on your Galaxy Watch 7. And this is a feature known as swiping on the edge here like that, called the touch bezel function. While viewing the clock face of your Watch 7 or the Watch 7 Ultra, swipe down from the top and tap on the settings icon here. Once in this section, you'll go all the way to the bottom where it says General. So you'll go down and you'll see General. Once here, right at the very top, the first option, you'll see Touch Bezel. And you want to first make sure you turn this on. If you want a vibration feedback when you are using this bezel touch section here, you can turn that on or turn it off. So when it's on, let's just say I want to quickly go up and down here, I can swipe here like that on the sides here, and it's going to quickly allow me to navigate faster with this feature, and you'll feel the vibration. And of course, if you don't want the vibration, you can just go ahead and turn off the vibration feedback, and that's going to disable it. And if you don't like it, you can turn it off, like so.